Currently, air source heat pumps and ground source heat pumps are both popular clean heating equipment on the market. However, there are significant differences between the two, which can directly affect your purchase choice. One is the difference in ease of installation. Air source heat pumps do not need to drill wells and only need to be placed outdoors, making them more suitable for homes that do not need major renovations. The Alsavo air-to-water heat pump all-in-one outdoor unit is not only easy to install and maintain, but also saves indoor space, making it the ideal solution for compact spaces. The installation of ground source heat pumps requires conditions for drilling wells and has high requirements for design, construction, and management, and is more suitable for new construction, expansion, or renovation projects. The second is affected by the ambient temperature is different. Ground source heat pumps have less impact, while air source heat pumps encounter low temperature environment will affect the efficiency of work. This time, if the use of air source heat pumps with defrost function, you can improve such a situation to a certain extent.